Let's move on to class. Meantime, they will join. Okay, so last class already we discussed, right? So last class, what? So what is case statement? And also we see right sum of if and how to check whether it is file and whether it is directory and whether it is a linked file. So with the help of so control statement, right? AWS. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so today we'll see. So now mostly interview. So they are asking simple shell scripting and all. At least we need to know, right? So how to write a shell script file, and so what the syntax and all mostly they are checking. The syntax and all mostly they are checking. If you write anything, they can understand. So we have some idea on that. So I am not saying 100%. So we can write a fulfill requirement. Just they are asking, can you write? So already last class I explained, right? So interview also they asked and how to create and how to search and how to find. Can you write the shell script file and all, and how to execute that file and all. So they are asking. So let me run my instance. So today we'll see. So what is array, and so how to pass elements to array, and how to iterate that elements from a array and all. So these are basics only. If you know these basics, we can easily write. So if any requirement, if any new requirements comes, so now we can easily understand. Without basics, we cannot understand. We cannot write anything first of all. Okay. So if anyone know any, write so Java or any C, so that people they can easily understand shell scripting and all. I think Python also almost in Sarah's explain, right? What is arrays and arrays are done or not? Python also. Same concept here also. Same concept here also. But here syntax and all it will change so bit, and remaining that right functionality and all same only. Now let me connect my instance. So now arrays is nothing but so today we'll see arrays and functions, very important. And so enter also can you declare one functions and how to call that function and all. So most of the people they asked how to git bash at the screen. Now arrays, so even so array is nothing but right. So if you want to if you want to right, so if you want to represent multiple elements or group of elements, group of values within the single name, within the single name. So that case we should go for, mostly we should go for array concept. So arrays and all in all languages, so this is the one topic, array. So in even Python also we know array, shell scripting, Java, C, C++, or so right. So YML, Groovy, wherever we want we can use it array concept. Simply if you want to understand what is array, array is nothing but so group of values we can pass in single name, and whenever if we need, so we can right. So we can iterate those values from an array. So that is a very simple only. So in what is an array, what is function also interview they are asking one or two guys. So what is this group of values? That is a group of values, group of values, group of values. If you want to represent group of values in single name. So that case mostly we go for so array concept. Mostly we go for arrays. So arrays. So now, for example, so I want to, for example, right. So I am going to declare one variable. See here, for example, I am going to declare one variable. So my variable name is so for example, see here, students, student, students. This is my variable name. So in this variable name, I can store many student names. I can store many. I can right. I can keep many student names. For example, see here, Rama, Sita. Okay. So like this, see here, Shiva. Now see here. Now whatever you want, so we can so give so multiple right. So group of names. So this is the variable name. This is the variable name. So in this variable, I passed, see here, how many values I passed here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. Now every element have one index number. So every element, so every name, this is the one element, right? So every element have index number. So array starts with 0, guys. This is the, see here, student. See here, stu. This is a variable name, students, students 0. So here, if I call student 0 means, so here what is the name here? Rama. The Rama represent. This is the index number. Now see here, student. Students, right? Variable name. Now I given 1. So index 1 means here Sita. Okay. Students. Here I given 2. So in this index, what is the name? What is the value available? Okay. Next, students. Now 3. Here, this is the index order. It will starts with it starts with 0. Array starts with 0, guys. Array starts with 0. Now see here. Now this is a variable. Now I given 5. So here it is coming 5. So this is the group of values. So group of values, I store it to the single variable name. Single variable name. Whenever if you want to print, so now with the help of this index number, we can call it. We can call it. So we can call it. So if you want to access, for example, I want to access only so Shiva name. So what is the index of Shiva? This is a 5. See here, variable array, and so this is the index number 5. So it is coming Shiva only. It is coming Shiva only. Now, so we can pass also like this. And if you want to get all elements, if you want to get all elements, so that case, so we can use also star or at. I don't want to get only one element, sir. I want to display all names, all elements. Okay. So that case we can use a star, or we can use a at. So how to represent? So now see here. If I give student, if I give students, this is the students, right? Variable name. If I give at means now it will display how many elements? Only one element or all elements? All elements present inside the array. What is my array name here? Students. Okay. So it will display all, or else we can use like this also. Stu students. Okay. Now we can use star also. What is star represents? All. What is star represents? All elements present inside the in a array. So whatever we want, we can use it. Whatever we want, we can use it. And so like this, we can count it. So like this, we can count it. Okay. So now these are the array, guys. Array is nothing but right. So we can array is nothing but a group of values within the single name. And so we should go for array concept. And we should go for array concept. Now this is my array. So in this array, I passed how many values? So see here, I passed how many values? 6 values. Now, how array starts with index 0? It will start, array starts with 0 only, index 0. So this is the 0. And so if you want to understand, this is the 0 index numbers. I am giving index numbers. This is the 0. Now see here. So this is the 0. And so this is the 1. And this is the 2. And this is the 3. And this is the 4, 5, like this. So we can add so many values. Now clear, guys? Anyone, any doubt here? This is the 5. Suppose if we add one more value, so that index number is 6. That index number is 6. Clear? So now how to access array elements? how to access array elements with the help of that index only, with the help of this index. Whenever if you want to print, so now see here, I am giving echo. Okay, so element I want to 3. So 3 means, so how to it, dollar. So 3 means 2, right? Index number 2. Element number 3 means, that is the student. What is index number? Third element means 2. Now this is right, 1, 2, 3. So now index number is 2. Like this we can call it. So like this we can call it. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Now
Yes,
let
sir.
me write one simple so shell script we can easily understand. Now see here, sudo vi array test. Just I give an array or array test. Okay, dot ss file. Okay, insert. Now hash exclamation mark slash bin slash bash. Now see here, I am going to declare one. So I am going to declare one name, single name. So that is the single name. What you are given? Stu, students. A shortcut name I am giving Stu, student equal to. Here I am going to pass. We can give any name, guys. That is up to you. Okay. So Rama, Sita. Okay. Okay. Shiva, Cham. Okay. Pati. So like this. Now I given see here. Okay. I passed. Now see here, this is my name. This is my name. So under this name, this is my array name. This is my array name. So how many element I passed? How many values I passed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the index? This is the 0. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see here. So whenever if you want to iterate, if you want to access, so if you want to access, so if you want to access, so if you want to access, how to print that one? Now you can see simple echo statement. Echo. Okay. Echo. First element. Uh, if you want to read first element, how to read it? Dollar and your name. What is the name? Array name. What is my name?
STU.
STU. STU of, what is the index? What is the first element index? 1 or 0?
Students.
0. Now see here, echo, I want to print last element, or I want to print last element or second element. See here, second element. If you want to print second element, so dollar name STU, second element means 1. Echo, I want to print fifth element. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Fifth means what is the index of fifth element? Dollar, dollar, fifth element. Fifth means what is the index? 4.
4, sir.
Okay. Like this, we can add. So echo last element. Element. Okay. Here in this case, last element. My array last element. So dollar. So dollar stu. What is the last element? Here total how many? Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So last means here 7. Correct? Now see. Now escape colon x. Now first give the permission, execution permission, sudo chmod a plus x, and so array test.ss file. Now how to run it? Dot slash array test. Now see here, what it is, first element Rama, What it is coming? Something missing. What we missed? Dollar only, right? I use dollar or something. What is happening? Now coming to here, dollar only, right? Okay, okay. Here everything is coming Rama Rama. Here, so we miss something, right? This is the dollar, and so this is right. That element, that is the element, right? Again, we need to use so insert. So that flower bracket, we need to use it. Okay. So now check it. This is the element, right? That is the syntax. Okay. Now coming to here, dollar. Okay. Now this is a okay. Now coming to here, dollar. Now okay. So now last one. So this is the dollar, and anyway this is the value, right? Student, that is index value we passed. But if you want to print that value, we need to give this one. Clear? Now check it. Escape, escape, colon. It is insert mode or insert, escape, insert, escape colon X. Save and quit. Now run it. Now see here. So what is the first element? Rama. So what is the second element? What is the fifth last element? So like this. So if you want to find, so we can print that particular elements and all. And also here we seen, right? So if you want to print all courses, return the number of elements in the first. I'm going to add a few more. See here, right? First element, last and so, sir, I want to print all. So how to print it? Echo, insert, insert, echo, echo. Now I want to print so some all elements. Now how to print it? See here, insert. What is this? All. Okay. So now dollar, dollar, flower bracket and stu, and so I given a star. I given star. So I given a star. Now see here. What is this guy? Star. And also we can use at also. Echo all elements. Okay. Dollar. What is the other way? Stu. Stu. At also we can use it. Now clear? Now echo. Whatever you want. So now suppose if you want to print, suppose if you want to already star, at all, no, only length of the, so if you want to print zero already, one, two, three and all already star. This is guys. Now let me check it. Already what elements it will print and how it will dollar X. Now run it. Now see here. So see all elements Rama, Sita, Shiva, Ravani, Sam. So same order it is coming or not? So we can use star or we can use at also. If you want to print all elements in an array, so that case we can use star or we can use at also, or we can use at also. Clear guys? So anyone any doubt here? This is very simple only. Whatever you want we can use it. So star represents all elements. At also represents, we can use both. We can use both. That is your wish. Whatever you want we can use it. So like this, so if anywhere if you want to print all this, we can give this, rate in based on index. So based on index, we can print it. Clear? Hello? Anyone any doubt here? Now we can suppose if you want to find, so length of, rate if you want to find So what is the total number of elements I want to count, right? So total how many elements here? So total how many elements here? How many elements? 8 or 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So if you want to print, so insert echo. Now we can use, okay. So total how many number of elements? Okay. Total elements, okay. So elements, whatever you want, dollar, and so this is the syntax, guys. So how to can hash and variable name, array name, stu at stu. We can use at or star. Clear? Now see here, total elements, total, total, not total elements, total number of elements, total how many elements, total number of elements, number of total number of elements. If you want to find, so how many elements in this array? So how many elements in this array? If you want to find it, and that case, so we should go for. So this is the star. So this is the star. Now clear? For example, I want to find length of this element. So first element, right? Rama. How many elements? I want to find length of the elements. So that case also we can use. I am writing everything here only. So length of element. Okay. Now I given. Okay. Dollar. So if you want to find the length of element, so dollar flower bracket, and so what is this? So how to find? So length hash same hash. What is the array name? stu, and so which element? Zero element. Find. I want to find zero element. Now clear? That's it. Now see here, length of a element. So any element. Here I given zero. Zero means Rama. For example, no, no, sir, I don't want zero. I want to find so third element. That case we can give three. That case we can give three. Now see here, echo third element. Okay. Now same syntax only. Dollar. Okay. Hash stu. Which one? Third. And bracket full quotation. That's it. Now clear. So this is the third element. This is the fourth element actually. Fourth means it is coming this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I given so index number 3, that is nothing but fourth. Okay. Now escape. Here anyone any doubt, guys? So these are the, so this is all elements means star we can use, or also at we can use at also. If you want to find a number of elements, hash array name, and we can use star or at. If you want to find the length of the specific element, hash, that is we need to pass that array index number. Index number. Clear? Escape colon x. Now see here, I'm running same program. Now see here. So what is this? So first, this is the first zero I given, right? So zero means how many? What is the length of this element? 4. And I given third. Third means 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Travani. How many characters is there? See here. What is the length? What is the length of third element? 4. What is the length of first element? 4. What is the length of third element? 7. Total number of elements. How many elements in our array? How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Three.
6, 7, 8. Length. So total number of
Okay.
elements, sorry, total number of elements. How many elements in our array? So total how many elements? 8 elements. This is the length of first. This is the length of third element. Now clear? So like this, so whenever if you want to call array element, or if you want to find length of the array, or if you want to find so length of the particular element, so that case we can use so this is the syntax, guys. This is the syntax. Clear? So this is the array. We can pass number of values. We can pass number of values in array, and whenever we need, so we can call like this with the help of that index number. So with the help of that index number. Clear? Anyone any doubt, guys, here? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Same and remaining and all same your wish. And so if you want to declare different way also we can do. Let me write one more thing. So if you want to store, so sudo va array test1, I given test1 dot ss file. Sudo, right? Sorry. Sudo. Okay. Insert as exclamation mark slash bin slash bash. Okay. Now, if you want to declare array, if you want to declare first here directly I given variable name, I assign the values. No, no, sir, I don't want like that. I don't want like that. And that case, so that case, so how to declare it? If you want to declare any variable, any array, so we can declare like this also. Declare hyphen a. What is hyphen a? Array. What is the array name? Here I am going to give stu guys, stu student. Now clear? Now see here stu of 10. I want to store something equal to I am giving some name. Okay, I am giving some name. So I am giving one Raju I given. Now see here. Now stu. This is my array name, right? So in so I want to give somewhere. See here. Now I want to give. See if you want to set the waves, whatever you want. Now see here stu. I want to store this position index. So what value I want to set? Okay. But now see. So like this also if you want to we can store it. So now if you want to read these values, if you want to read these values, so if you want to read all values at a time, simply we can use the star, right? Star, right? We can use for loop also. Simply if you want to print, we can use like this also. Echo, right? So now how it will work? See here, elements dollar. Okay, dollar. Okay. Now hash, that is stu, right? Stu. What is we can use star or at. Now clear, guys? Already you know this one. What is this? It will print all. So if you want to iterate loops one by one, so up to what element we want, we can use for loop also. Already you know, right? For loop. So for variable name, what is your variable name? What is your variable name? Stu. What is the variable name? Stu in. So in. So in. This is the syntax, right? And same thing we can copy and paste it. See here, if you want to print. Now, so now what is the syntax? Do. What is the syntax? Do. And if you want to print all these things, and simply we can print. See here, echo dollar, echo dollar, echo dollar, your variable name. What is your variable name? Stu. Do. Next, what is the complete? So done. Complete done. Complete done. See here. So we can use for loop also. For this is a student stu, right? This is my variable name. So how many elements available here? How many elements? Already is there any other elements? No, right? Only three. So Raju, DevOps, Pati and all. Now this is the for loop, right? For variable name in. So this is the all elements. Now first it is coming Raju and as DevOps and Pati. That's it. Escape colon X. So sudo sudo chmod a plus x and so array test1 dot sh file. Okay, dot slash array test1 dot sh file. Now see here, elements. So I print, right? So here what it is printing, Raju and as DevApps. So Raju and so DevApps. What about other one? How many printing here? How many in my array? Cat space, uh, array test1 dot txt. Now here Raju DevApps stu 3 added, right? Anything missing?
Sir, third one, typo errors. STUD typos. Third element, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
Variable names.
Correct. So now coming to here, insert. Now coming to here. So this is echo stu. Correct only, right?
Third one, sir. STUD of 20. You type letters.
Okay. Sorry. I got it. This one, right? Yeah. So that is the
Yes.
reason it is coming only two elements. Now see here. So if you don't want, just comment this one. How to comment it? So hash. How to comment it? As escape colon x. Now see here. So now run it. Now see here. Raju DevApps Pati. Raju DevApps Pati. So Raju DevApps Pati. Now if I use here, now let me edit this one. Now insert. Now coming to here, echo insert echo element. So dollar and flower bracket and stu 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 0. I given so 0. I given 0. So now which value it is coming? Anyone guess it? Now I given dollar stu of element 0. Which value it is coming? Now see here. Now I run this. So do we have any element? I given 0, right? So in the 0 location, in the index 0, do we have any element in this array?
No, sir.
No. So that is the reason now it is coming empty. Now got it, guys. So this is my array name. Declare -a array. What is array name? Student stu. So in 10th place, 10th index, I stored Raju. In 15th index, I stored DevApps. In 20 index, I stored Prati. But here I am trying to print 0 index. Do we have any element in 0? No. Now got it. Clear, guys? Don't confuse here. Based on index only, it will print. Now I am trying to print 0 index. In 0 index, do we have any element here? Let me update here. Insert I, insert I, coming to here. Now I'm giving, for example, this is the 1, this is the 5, and this is the, sorry, stu. Okay. Now I given, so second element. Now I'm trying to print 0. Now, same way, I'm going to print echo second element. Okay, dollar flower bracket and stu object name, and second element means that is third, right? Second means third. Okay, now I given. Now see what is the output coming here, guys. Here nothing is there. I didn't assign any value to 0 index. Correct. Now I print so index 2. What is the index 2? I already have where value is available. Pati. In this case, in this echo statement, I am getting 0. Nothing I am getting. So here it will print Pati. Now clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Okay.
Okay, so in 0 index, I don't have any
Yes,
element.
sir.
Correct? In the second, that is nothing but third element. In the third, this is nothing but index 2. Already some value is there, Pati. But what is this? So here I am printing whatever I don't know, wherever maybe I assigned it. So for object name, what is the variable name stu in? So get all elements. That is whatever it may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 indexes and print all elements. That's it. I am not specifying anything here. Index number. Correct? Here it will print all elements, but in this case, specifically I mentioned only second index. Here I mentioned only 0 index. Now see, escape colon x. Now see here, in 0 element, nothing is there, empty. It is empty, null. In the second element, Pati is coming. Remaining I used for loop, right? For variable in. So now I given so that entire that object name, right? So now see here. So for this is the syntax variable name in. Just I am reading all all values in my variable name in my array. Now I am printing so stu means this is our variable name. It will print one by one, whatever we assigned it here, whichever values we added here, that values and all it will print here. So clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So like this, so if you want to, so we can use so this arrays and all anywhere, anytime. That is up to you. Okay, clear? What Shivaji? Any doubt here? Elven Shravani. So this is main thing is index. Based on index only, we can retrieve, we can access your array elements values. Array elements values. Okay. Now if you want to print all, that case we can use star or at, or if you want to find, we can use the same syntax and we need to pass here, but you need to hash before hash that array name and we can pass index number. Already previous program we added, right? So like this we can find it. Clear? Yes or no? I can't hear. Your voice is very low. I don't know my say. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now very important topic in shell scripting. So what is function? How to declare functions? So function is nothing but I hope in Python also right what is function. What is function as of now? You understanding? Function is nothing but right a group of commands. Correct? In Python also I think sir explained right what is function. How to declare a function in Python. In same way, in shell scripting also there is a one concept is there functions. In winter also many people they asked how to declare functions in shell script. How to declare functions in shell script. So first, what is function? Function is nothing but a group of commands or group of statements, guys. Group of commands. Group of commands that are repeatedly required. I want to say execute group of commands at a time. So that case we should go for function. That case we should go for function. For example, here I written some of the statements. Here I written all of the statements, right? So here this is my program, right? This is my program. So now see here cat space. If I use cat space, this is my I separately I written all my statements single line. One command, right? One statement. Now I am going to declare these all lines in one function. So whenever if you need, I can call that function. This all statement will be executed at a time. That's it. No need to, not recommended to write these commands also one separately every time. No need to write separately every time. And these commands and all, I am going to write in one function. Whenever if you need, simply I am going to call that function name. That's it. So what is function? Function is nothing but a group of statements, multiple commands. Every time, no need to call these commands separately. These commands I am going to group, I am going to write one function, and whenever if we need, simply we are calling that function name. That's it. So what is advantage of functions? We can reduce the length of the code. Now see here, this is my shell scripting program. Here I written many lines, right? This is a very simple program. But here I written, see how many lines I written here? Almost 10 plus lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and nearly 15 lines are written here. But somewhere if you want to call the same functionality, same steps, again we need to write the same steps, right? That is the time waste. So that case, we are going to declare these statements in one function. And whenever if we need, we are calling in our function. That's it. What is the main thing? We can reduce the length of the code. So what is the advantage of main function advantages? We can reduce, we can, we can reduce the, we can reduce the, we can reduce length of code, length of, so length of the code. This is the main, this is the main. And we can, right, we can improve the performance, and also we can improve, right, so we can improve the, improve the performance. For PRFORC, right, performance. And we can improve the readability. We can improve the readability. Every time no need to write, right? We can simply call it. And also we can, write. So we can, write. How can I say? That is maintain. So here I written many statements, right? Here I written many statements in my shell scripting. So just assume there is some common steps. Whenever if we need, no need to write all steps. These steps and all I am going to add in our function. And simply I am going to write, I am calling my function name whenever if need. So this is the syntax, guys. Syntax and all very simple only. Function, function name, function, and so function name, function name. Whatever name we can give, so we can give it. What can we and we can give it. This is the syntax. Function, function name, and start the curly brace and open the flower bracket. This is very simple. Or if you don't want, simply we can write function name also. This is another way also, function name. So directly we can give like this also. Both are same only. So both are same only. So your actual task and all, your statement and all, we are going to write here. This is your actual task, actual statements, whatever you want. So here we are going to write your actual task. Okay, statement. That's it. Now clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So this is very simple only, but how to use and how to declare and how to call your function in our shell scripting, we'll see. Just to come to here, let me create one. Now see here, this is my program, right? Let me come to here, same program, same shell scripting, and these are I written a hard coding and all, right? Now if you want to write same thing, so different way also, or else I will create new file. I need to desktop sudo vi sudo vi sudo vi. Just I am giving so one any sudo I am going to give any test function fun dot ss file. Okay, insert, insert. Now see here, exclamatory slash bin bash, slash bin bash. Okay, Now I'm going to declare one function. So how to declare function? Now you know, right? So now you know, right? So function name I am going to here. See here, function name I am going to here. So function and function name hello HCLLO. This is my function name, guys. We can give any name. And so what is the syntax? And here we can write your actual task and all. Now given echo well welcome to, just I given some statement whatever you want. So this is my function name. So this is my function name. So this is the function and function name, and whatever you want we can write here. This is your function. Under this function we can write. For example, I want to print. How to print ls statement or ls hyphen. I want to print date. Okay. So echo current date. Okay. Now what is the command for date and all? What is the command? Simply we can call date also. Now clear? So this is my function. Now how to call this function? Simply we can call your function name, guys. That's it. Now see here. Now escape, 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 colon, x. Now give the permission sudo chmod a plus x execution permission, and so test function ss. Okay. Now how to run file dot slash test function. So function. So see here. Do you get any output, guys? Do you get any output? No. Why
No,
you are
sir.
not getting any output? I declare function. Did I call my function name? No, right?
No, sir.
Just I declare my function. That's it. So, but I didn't call my function name. Now observe here. So this is the function declaration. So this is the function declaration, guys. As declaration. Now how to call your function? As call calling functions. functions functions. Okay. How to call functions? How to call your function? What is the function name? HCLLO. That's it. Now see here. Now I'm giving HCLLO. So we can call many times also. If you want to, we can call many times. So if you want to, we can call many times. HCLLO. See guys. Now clear guys. How many times I called? Three times. Now see here. Escape colon X. Now how to run it? What is the problem? Syntax error near unexpected token hello. So actually this is I am not passing any parameter, right? Simply just update your so no need to give this one also. Only function name. What is my function name? Here I am not passing anything. Just simply call function name. That's it. So now see here, remove that one. That's it. Hello. HCLLO. Hello. Escape colon X. Now see, run it. Now see here, welcome to shell scripting and print current data. What is current? I call it one command, right? Date command. So now it is printing. So your current date and time. Now this is my function declaration. So this is my function declaration. Function name. We can give any name, guys. We can give any name. That is your wish. That is up to your wish. We can give any name. Now I'm going to declare one more function. See here, insert. I am going to declare one more function. Okay, display das display files. Okay, this is my function name. Now, so under this function, okay, echo display. Just I given something display all files and directories arrays. Okay. Now if you want to display all files and directories, what is the command? Linux command, ls command, correct? Clear? Anyone any doubt guys here? Hello? So now this is my function name. We can give any name guys. I given one function name, display files. Now, so in this function, I called ls command. What is ls command? This is a Linux command. It will print all files and directories, current directory. Now how to call that function? So now see here, I am using, so display files. That's it. Display files. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? What Shivaji?
Yes, sir.
Escape colon x. Now run it. Now see here. So now see here. This is the first function guys. Up to here first function. Correct? Now display all files and directories. So this is the second function output. This is the second function output. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So like this, so whenever if you want to, so we can declare function, and under the function, whatever you want, what is your actual task and all, we can implement, and whenever if you need, just call that function name. That's it in our shell scripting program. Clear guys? Clear or anyone any doubt? So now see here. So this is the function I declare. So there is already you told right. Two ways we can declare functions. This way also we can declare function, or this way also we can declare function. So now this is a function and function name. Directly we can pass function name. Directly we can pass function name also. That is your wish. Okay. Clear? Clear Shravani? In Python also
Yes,
we are
sir.
declaring functions, right? In Python also we are declaring functions. So how to declare function? In shell scripting, this is the syntax. In shell scripting, this is the syntax. We need to declare functions like this. In interview also many people asked, can you declare one function and write some statements and how to call that function? Now this is the syntax. Function, function name, and so whatever you want we can write code, and how to call that function, give that function name. That's it. So this is the default function. Right now I didn't pass any parameters, and the next class we'll see so different way how to call that function also. Okay, clear guys? So that's it from my side today, and so